Well, I wasn't going to do a review on this, but decided to do one anyway, because I was surprised I even got this figure. I pre-ordered this before the launch of the release date, and for some reason it went to my pile of loot. I wasn't paying attention. Then I had a couple things in the pile of loot in a Big Bad Toy Store, and I decided, I'll wait till later to pick up Mer-Man. So I took out of my pile of loot. I guess somehow he got stuck in the pile of loot. Somehow. Or either way. You know what? It's fate. It's beautiful. How do you not love Mer-Man? Let's get him out of the box. But I tell you, before we do that, the box art, as always, Masters of the Universe is the best box art in any action figure. I don't care. Now, Buzz Off might be something good to get him. Faker, maybe. I don't know, because I don't know. Grillazor, Laura, whatever. I'm not even bothered with him. Anyway, this is one of the key members of the Master of the Universe. Let's get him out of the box and check him out. Okay, now before we go over the figure, I want to try to be like a professional at QVC, but I thought that's going to work, and I did wash my hands, but I could not get this paint off my nail. Anyway, here's his gun. Here's his sword, staff, whatever you want to call it. The main reason why I'm doing this review is because I think I'm going to do a little more wash stuff on him and fix him up just a little bit. I did a Beastman repaint. I'll put them at the end of the video, but here's what you come with. This is all one solid color. I don't like it that color. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. He comes with two punching hands. Hope it's focusing okay, because I'm just going to go back to using my regular camera. If you can see that or not, I guess you can. And I love to say don't forget that. I love to say every 5 minutes, because I can't think ahead of time what I'm going to say. Here's another open hand, which is cool. I'm not sure how much I like this gold on the figure though, but I do like this web. Now, if you take the web and make it a little lighter, like a pinkish color, and I don't know, I'm gonna mess with it. I'm gonna mess with it a little bit. Let's get close here. I did not like, well, I do like this a lot better than the first Revolutions Mer-Man. Revelation, I'm sorry, not Revolution, Revelation. But I'm gonna leave that part in there. This Masterverse line with that Skeletor, that's Revelations up there. The Man-at-Arms, but he looks good. But this Masterverse line, man, I love the old classics, the old school classics, but they're so expensive. So, I don't know. I'm gonna see what's going on with that. I'm not sure. But, I tell you, man, this is a really good looking figure. I'm not sure. I'm not 100% on the color scheme. I do like his little, his body armor thing here. I dig that, and I love the head sculpt. Looks good. But I think what we need to do is, we need to do something with it. And I'm not sure. I know I got to look into some Mer-Man pictures and some Mer-Man stuff. I'm not going to go back as far as Filmation, the original He-Man Filmation stuff, make it so much colorful. I'm gonna try to keep that aspect of being colorful in there, but I don't know how close I'm gonna keep it to that. Let's put his I wish he would have came with something else. I don't know what he would come in, but I wish he'd come with something else. Maybe with some fish or some shit, or a shark or something. That'd be badass. But this is a really good Mer-Man. I love this Mer-Man, but like I said, I don't know if I should. I'm not sure about the color scheme yet, or if I'm gonna do anything with them, but I just don't like his hands and his gloves matching his webs on his hands. But you'll probably say, well, that's his glove. That's how it goes. It goes across his hand. Well, I don't know. I don't care. But this is an awesome looking Mer-Man. But let me get a little closer here. Let me see here. A little bit closer. Like, I'm going to go on my Beastman, my custom Beastman that I did. He looked really good. So I got the Beastman ready to go. And I got the Mer-Man. Now, I do have Trapjaw in the back. I got him for like $12 at a flea market in box, but the box is kind of messed up. But it is the Revelations Trapjaw. don't know if I said Mer-Man or not, but anyway, I meant Trapjaw. I have Trapjaw in the back. I do like it. I'm going to do something with him too. I'm not going to bring him out until I get him straightened out and do some custom work on him. Here's the main people right here. Without Trapjaw, in my opinion, you got to have Mer-Man. You got to have, obviously, Skeletor. You got to have it. How can you not have if you don't have that? But there you go. That's the 3 right there. But missing the 4th one, and that's Trapjaw. Anyway. Okay, here, let me put Skeletor back over here. Put him back over here in the corner. Now, I think this is more like it. I don't know. I may have to display these when I get Trapjaw out of the box and do something with him. I'm definitely going to do a repaint on the Trapjaw. The Mer-Man, I might do a subtle repaint, very subtle. But I'll tell you right now, I think Skeletor should look like this. That's what I think, in my opinion. Let's see here. Yeah, that's what Skeletor should look like. Just like that. But, because he's towering, I don't think Skeletor should have been small. I think Skeletor should have been towering over top of all the rest of Minions. Or his henchmen, whatever you want to call them. But anyway, so there you go. That's what I'm talking about. There you are. Skeletor, Mer-Man, Beastman so far. Now getting Trapjaw. But if I do something with Mer-Man, I'll give you guys an update. Okay, well, I know what the error means then on this camera. I didn't know what that meant. It was flashing. Well, apparently I had a full memory card. Anyway, where I stopped off at, I hope I didn't go too crazy with it without rambling on, but I think there's too much gold here. There's too much gold for this. I don't know, man. I want to make him a little more darkened down, a little more, not dark like so much dark colors. I guess it has to do with dark colors, but a little more creepier looking, if you know what I mean. Sort of like not so bright, but still try to keep that look of the Mer-Man that's supposed to have the certain look he has. But anyway, I don't know, just the gloves. If anything, the gloves. Something needs to be fixed here. This is opportunity here where you could fix this different color than this, and this could be one color. We can come around here and do something over here. I don't know. I mean, I'm not sure. I have to do see some old pictures of Mer-Man, like some dark looking pictures of him. Anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. Didn't mean to ramble on. Not so much a review. This is more like a where I'm at with my Masters Universe type theme here. I'm going. I gotta get Trapjaw out of the box and get him going, but I'm gonna do some subtle stuff on Mer-Man first. And thanks for guys for watching. I'll see you next time.